Damn, we're scuffed. Damn, buddy.
Fuck, that sounds mean. And it's smoking.
Yeah, it's smoking because Buddy's fuel injectors are giving out on him.
That looks so weird.
They look like. Shut your.
It's like a movie set.
I planned on not cussing. I gotta not cuss. They look like some Google cars. Ooh. I didn't even start the video yet, really. All right, you can say it.
I'm not.
Just be like, "What up, YouTube?"
No.
What's going on, YouTube? It's me and Camry, the Toyota, conquering the world today. One stock Shiva and Brandon or Joe POV with the Supra up a little bit, but we're cruising. They're getting footage for their social media. Well, one's doing TikTok, the other one's doing YouTube. Brandon might do TikTok. I don't know if he is or isn't. Dennis is leading, and I don't think he realizes like, yo, I'm 6 cars behind. Oh yeah, that's crazy. This is about to be a solo POV. Left Behind, Supra and E63 AMG Leaf GTR. Great title. It got smoked in a race. We're gonna have to make like periodic stops because Dennis's thing keeps falling down. His little suction cup to his car is like cheap and his stick just keeps falling. And I'm glad I'm not behind him because he said that he's scared that it might fall off. And if that hits my car, I got a T-bone, bro. And we're gonna do a little cruise before the rain hits. We got no power at home, so we took it as a consideration to go out and make a quick little video. I don't really know. I think Brandon said he wants to do some donuts and stuff in his car and tear his tires. I was just watching a dude behind was playing the squiggly lines. Oh, he's doing it too. He's doing it too. I love it. The dude behind it. I put the GoPro on. I meant the hat on tight. I can't feel my head again.
He ran the red light.
Yeah, he ran it. I respect it, dude. Push that Cherokee, dog. I want to get the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I want to get the mount for that to take like rollers and stuff. It takes some sick pictures. But now we're gonna just cruise around for a little bit. I don't really know where we're going or anything. Dennis is leading, and God only knows where he's gonna take us. Oh yeah, we were driving home. We went to TJ Maxx to get like a comforter and like a couple things for the house. There's like this car. I don't know where they were from, out of town.
Vermont.
They were like Vermont. They were driving by us, and the back seat, the kids rolled down the windows. They didn't say a word, just cheesing hard. It was like perfect. I wish I got it on video, but I didn't.
I'm the only one that made eye contact with them.
His thing fell down. It's being held on literally by masking tape.
Oh.
I was like, dude, I was like, your dad does construction, bro. I said, why didn't you put like 2x4s or something on there, some wood? And it's literally held on by blue masking tape or painter's tape, whatever you want to call it. I hope he's not going to do it here. It'd be so dumb for him to do donuts or anything here, right on the main road.
Pretty good spot, huh?
No.
What?
Bro, we're right next to a main road.
There's no fucking lot like that.
Huh? I got a perfect title for it, so it's all good. AMG owner acts a fool. GoPro overheated. First time ever, but it is what it is.
My mom said just have Aldin drop you off at the movies.
Shut your...
The movie starts in 10 minutes. I'm sorry.
Yeah, she was supposed to go see a movie with her mom, and her mom went to go see it without her. So,
No, it's not.
all right, it's not. Yeah, so she's having a little rant fest. Now we'll see. Good luck to them on this extravagant race in this busy highway. Yeah, I'm honestly happy that my GoPro did overheat there for a second, because let me tell you guys, my head was numb. Let's go. You beat. You're mine, buddy. You're mine, buddy. You're mine, buddy. I'll take that content. He's probably gonna say something happened. We're gonna have to run it back. I'm just gonna take a gamble. Just finished a video. Practically didn't stop at all, only once, just to eat a granola bar. LOL. Yo, Segway's a legend, dude. Fucking legend. Sorry, beep it out, but legend. I appreciate you, dog. Hell yeah, brother. I can see him geeking in there. I know he's sick. I'm looking at him smiling. You guys probably can't even see him. Yeah, let's pull in super slow. Come on, lady. Soccer mom, kicking gear. This is it right here. Let me go talk to him. See what he wants to do. Post interview, sir. How did it feel losing?
Look. I just beat him, right?
You beat. How did he beat you? But you
were really high. I don't know if that affects the race.
It could. We can run it back.
31.
We could run. We're probably gonna be dead even. If I'm being honest, we're probably gonna be dead even. If not, me smoking a shit. You should fix it, dog. You're.
Chill. I can't feather like you. You do a good job feathering.
Oh yeah, brother. You got it, Chief. You got it. I hope I'm recording audio. Hell yeah.
Give it the beans on this one.
I'm gonna try. Last one.
She came out of the car.
Last one. I'm just peeping, dude.
Yeah, we're good. No cop. This is a permitted area anyway. We have a permit.
Yeah, you're right.
It actually expires in 15 minutes.
Yeah. Fuck it. It's a little loud. Ooh, look at the blue smoke. All that fuel he's dumping. It was kind of fun though. It's been a while since I swung a car. Hell yeah. Good little footage today. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. We had some fun. Went a little crazy. Brandon's scared right now. AMG is gone. Let's pull over real quick. Yeah, I got in his car because I was trying to rush before, like, you know, just in case cops or anybody showed up. And the wire's just dangling on the screen like this. And I'm like, oh my God, audio's off. Appreciate you guys watching. That's gonna wrap it up for the video because I mean, I'm just gonna pull over and tell them that, you know, we'll go home. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. We had a little bit of fun, a couple races, a couple spins, a little bit of fun today. If you guys did, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe, do the usual. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys have any questions, I'll answer them in the next video. But besides that, peace out, dog. It ain't scary. Brandon wanted me to drift the car for him. He doesn't know how to. I don't know. He wants to go to a parking lot somewhere. I don't know where we'd have a nice little solid parking lot.
It has to be away from.
Away from yeah. I need to get a haircut, man. I want to hear it. Hold on. That sounds so good. I think I got a thumbnail. I think I got a thumbnail. Right here. Thumbnail right here. GTR pulls on AMG. No, we're just trying to get clips. We're just farming clips. He needs stuff to upload on his TikTok. I know, yeah. Let's see what we got. We're gonna have cops around here, but we gotta find a nice little parking lot. We'll find something. There's gotta be some parking lot somewhere that's decent. Are they busy at the ice cream place? Yeah. Not really. No, they're actually not. Normally the parking lot is packed. Where would we have an open parking lot?
The only place I can think of is that church by my mom's house. That's right.
That's also scary.
There's never any cops over there, but it's nice houses over there.
That's the thing, and typically when it's nice houses,
and there's a golf cart.
Somebody bounds to call the cop. I'm trying not to swear in the video, so I want to see if it's gonna make a difference in the what's it called, the restriction and everything, because I don't know what's restricting my video, and I think it is the swear words, but we'll see. Oh, that's Alfa Romeo. Never mind. I thought it was a Miami blue BMW, but it's not.
What is that?
They're on little, like, I don't know if it's this, like, Segway thing. Ron's calling me. Not right now, Ron. I'll call you back afterwards. It's my dad's best friend.
I ask you that every single time.
Yo, what is that, dude? What the Shut was that? Oh, I cussed and I didn't want to. Segway, you know what to do. Okay, so we're by the airport. What do we have down here?
Fairview.
Well, yeah. But, like, as far as parking lots.
I have no idea.
I'm trying to think.
Is there any place by your parents?
No, I mean, we could go that way. We'd have to go far up in the country. And it's like, that's going to be a drive of its own.
Yeah.
It's going to take us like 40 minutes to get there. I'll find something down here. I don't know where, but cold. I shut the thing off. It's like instantly hot.
Yeah. I wonder how Buddy is.
I know. Guys, we lost power, or like I was saying earlier, we lost power, and I feel bad. We left the dog at home, but I don't have nowhere to take him either. And it's like, I mean, we made sure that he had ice cold water, that everything was as cold as we can possibly keep it without power. I mean, there was a really, really good breeze coming in, so I'm hoping that he's doing good. And I was in the middle of playing Counter-Strike, and the power went out. I was tilted. I know I got banned. I hope it's only a 30-minute ban, but it is what it is. But I feel bad for the poor dog, man. But I hope he's good. I think he is. I don't really see there being a problem, especially with the breeze and everything. And he likes to sit up on the window, so. But that's literally it.